In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undelete a channel on Discord. Accidentally deleting a channel can feel pretty stressful, especially if you had important messages, files, or conversations in there. The good news is that, if you're an admin or have the right permissions, Discord makes it possible to restore deleted channels through the server's audit log. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step, and you can follow along on either the desktop app or the browser version of Discord. First, open Discord and go to the server where the channel was deleted. You'll need to make sure you have the View Audit Log permission. Typically, this means you're an admin, a moderator, or you've been given a role with the right permissions. If you don't see the options I'm about to mention, you may need to ask a server admin to do this for you. Next, look at the top of your channel list and click on the server name. This will open a drop-down menu. From here, choose Server Settings. This will bring you into the main configuration area for your server. Inside Server Settings, look at the menu on the left and find Audit Log. Go ahead and click on that. The audit log is a record of recent actions taken on the server, such as channel deletions, role changes, bans, and more. This is where we'll locate the deleted channel. Once the audit log is open, you'll see a list of recent events. You can scroll through the list or use the filter at the top to narrow things down. Look for an entry that says something like, Channel Deleted. It should show the name of the channel, who deleted it, and when it was removed. If your server is very active, you might need to scroll a bit to find the right event, especially if the deletion wasn't recent. When you've located the deleted channel entry, click on it to expand the details. In many cases, Discord provides an option to restore or recreate the channel directly from this log item. If you see a button or link to restore or recreate, click it. Discord will then bring the channel back, usually with the same name and basic settings it had before. Keep in mind that while the channel structure is restored, some older content may not always be fully recoverable, depending on timing and Discord's current behavior. After restoring, go back to your channel list and confirm that the channel has reappeared. Check the permissions and categories to make sure everything looks correct, and let your server members know the channel is back so they can continue their conversations.